The Italian bike manufacturer Ducati unveiled the Desmo450 MX, its first-ever motocross bike, over 2 years ago. Due to the ride's success in prototype form in a number of competitions over the previous few years, Ducati began mass production in the spring of last year. In the fall of 2025, the company announced the release of a number of accessories that enable riders to upgrade their two-wheelers to factory team specifications. The official Desmo450 MX Factory version is now available. The new device, which is designed to line up at the start of the most demanding competitions, is expected to be an even more capable and comprehensive version of the motocrosser. The new bike is lighter than the original, even with the features that make it a race-ready bike. As is customary, I'll start with the features that have been carried over with little to no changes when a new iteration of an existing bike enters the market. In this instance, that refers to both the engine and the bike's frame. A cast aluminum swing arm and a lever with forged aluminum links are connected into the twin-spar aluminum perimeter frame, which weighs 19.7 pounds, 8.95 kilograms, just like its conventional sister. The 449.6 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, which powers the desmodromic valve timing seen in all Ducati races, is the hardware that powers the motorcycle. This characteristic allows the power plant to operate at very high revs. For example, the red line is reached at 11,900 revolutions per minute, while the highest power levels, which correspond to 63.5 horsepower and 53.5 newton-meters of torque, are reached at 9,400 revolutions per minute and 7,500 revolutions per minute, respectively. A gearbox equipped with a quickshifter controls all of the power. It's time to examine some of the features that set the Desmo450 MX Factory apart from its regular sister. And I'll begin with the exhaust system that connects to the engine I mentioned earlier, improving its torque curve and power delivery. The gear uses specialized mapping and is manufactured by Akrapovic in titanium to minimize weight. Next is the suspension system, which Showa specifically engineered to enhance the bike's performance and differentiate it from its inferior version. It consists of a completely adjustable monoshock at the back with 301 mm will travel and a set of fully adjustable 49 mm upside-down closed cartridge forks at the front with 310 mm travel. Because Ducati applied a TO finish to the stems and rod and a dark Kashima coating to the shock absorber body and fork legs, the system seems distinct. In addition, the Italians installed a skid plate and front disc guard to protect the motorcycle from damage during hardcore riding, used billet triple clamps made of ergal and anodized in black on the factory edition, and used a hole-shot device to compress the fork when starting a race and allow the rider to launch correctly when exiting the gate. Additionally, the Ducati Desmo450 MX Factory has a Wi-Fi module that allows users to customize the throttle map, engine brake, launch control, and Ducati traction control system in addition to riding modes. The latter technique provides 4 levels of intervention by adjusting the power cutoff based on the real slippage of the rear wheel. Numerous other rider assistance systems, like its engine brake control and launch control, support it in its duty. A Brembo system provides stopping power. At 229 pounds, 104 kilograms, the new bike is somewhat lighter than the base model despite all the frills added to the factory variation. This Ducati has a 9-gallon, 7.2-liter gasoline capacity. The bicycle rotates the Pirelli Scorpion MX 32 midsoft tires on the 21-inch front and 19-inch rear aluminum wheels of the Takasago Excel are likely to be used in real competitions in the near future. This is due to the fact that the factory is currently offered by dealers in Europe and will be accessible in North America by the end of the month. Later on, the rest of the world will understand. Although the actual pricing for Americans to purchase the two-wheeler in its unique Ducati course livery is still unknown, we can use the basic model, which retails for $11,495, as a benchmark, add $2,000 or $3,000, and that's probably where we are.